to my channel. If you guys are just tuning in for the first time, my name is Jamie Swan and this is my channel based on everything beauty. And if you haven't guessed already, today is a special episode on a skull, a pretty little skull tutorial. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, so to start this look, I did a base of the Lime Life by Alcone foundation in the second lightest shade Ivory. They do have one shade lighter, which is quite white. If you're a little bit paler than I am, I would use that color. It's called Porcelain, I believe. And then I'm just going in and doing my brows just like normal, and then setting the base with the color called Clutch out of the Nightingale Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette. And so I'm just doing a light base of where I want all the shadows to be on my face. And then I went in with my contour brush and the color Flip Out, and I'm just chiseling my cheekbones a little bit more. So basically when you do a skull, it's like highlight and contour, but on extreme. So just go and put wherever you'd put your contour, but extreme. And then for the neck here, I'm just going down either side of my neck and leaving a white strip down the center because we're gonna go in and put bones there afterwards. And then just chiseling it out, going in with a little bit of a darker shade. Now I'm using the color Flip Out and just going in wherever we laid that base down and just darkening it a little bit. And then I'm doing a regular eyeshadow look with browns and blacks. So we did the transition color of brown, and then I went in and deepened it with black, and then just put a little bit of brown on the nose to go in and put the bones there afterwards. And now I'm using the color black in the Mayron water activated face and body paint for the whole outline, and just using a liner brush. And then going in and doing the nose bones here that we'll fill in later with white. And then I added a little bit of white shadow to the eyeshadow look. It's called Break Free, and it's like a shimmery white onto my eyelid. And now I'm just deepening up the crease a little bit more, exaggerated and extreme. And then just carving out the eye sockets. And I'm not making a perfect circle. I'm kind of leaving right underneath a little bit lighter, if you notice. And then just go in with the black eyeshadow called All Nighter, but you could use whatever black eyeshadow you have. And then just following that line that we chiseled out with the body paint, and then filling in our lips with that eyeshadow. And then just go and chisel out the neck bones and your collarbones and stuff like that a little bit more with the black eyeshadow. And then I'm just bringing a little bit of brown down the center because I'm going to put a little design on the center of my forehead. And then here we are, just chiseling out a little bit more, deepening things up one step at a time. And then I'm just bringing the eyeshadow up a little bit to give a little bit more of a kind of a scary appearance, I guess, to the eyebrows. And then I'm taking, this is the Mayron water activated face and body paint in the color white. Okay, so now I'm going in with a liner brush and that same body paint and just carving out the eye sockets. And here we're gonna lay down the whole design of the skull. And this is the part that just really makes it look really pretty, I think. So here I'm just starting where I'm going to be chiseling out the jaw to start putting the teeth in. And then I just made this little kind of pretty design down by my lower jaw, filling in the nose, and then just making kind of like a little leafy, I don't know, kind of sugar skull pattern around the eye sockets. And then I just did sort of like a little crisscrossy pattern just on the sides there just to make it look a little bit prettier. And then I took the shade Clutch again that we started chiseling out the whole face with, and I put that on my lips because it's a really nice shimmery brown color, and I put that on my lips just to just because I thought the shimmery would look really pretty. And now we're carving out the teeth. And then here's the little design. So this is why I put a little bit of a brown shadow there, so we could lay this design down and have a little bit of a shadow to it just to make it look sort of sugar scully. And here is, I just took a bigger brush and I'm making the bones in my neck and just kind of a little design there beside it because I thought it looked sweet. And then go back in. This is like for teeth, you always have to go back in, put black, then white, then black, then white. So here I'm just creating a little bit of dimension in the teeth and the jaw area. And then here I'm just going and redefining all the white now. See, like I said, you have to go back and forth with white and black, white and black, white and black. And then I'm taking the body paint and just giving a little definition to some of the white lines on my face just to carve them out a little bit more. And then chiseling out the eye sockets a little bit just to give them some more dimension. And then just creating some more shadows down on the chin area, just so you could see those designs a little bit more. And then we had to do a little bit on the neck. Can't forget the neck, so I'm just shadowing some of those bones to make them pop a little bit more. And I'm still using the Mehron face and body paint for this. And then going back up to the little head design, now I'm just adding some shadows to that so that it pops a little bit more, just to give it some depth. Putting a little shadow underneath each of these little dots that we're gonna go and add a little jewel to each of those here. And for this, I'm just using, just put that in the center because I thought that looked pretty. And then I'm just adding little rhinestones with lash glue to these little dots above my eyebrows. And then 3 down the center. And then I did go and put some underneath my eyes as well. And then for the teeth, I went in with a little bit more lash glue and did just mainly the teeth that were on my lip area, filled them in, and then put some just regular glitter on my lips just to make those pop and make them really pretty. So I did that to both the top and the bottom. And then I'm just going in and putting eyeliner on just how I regularly would. I did a little bit of a wing, but I couldn't really see it because I had the dark eyeshadow so dark, so that's optional. And then I just took a liner brush and that all-nighter black color and just filled in my waterline so that it was really nice and dark on my lower lash line. And then just go in with your favorite mascara. Doesn't matter what mascara because we're gonna go in and put on some lashes. So these are the Lily lashes in the style Miami. And that is the finished look. So what did you guys think of that tutorial? If you did like it, don't forget to give a thumbs up because that really helps my channel and I would really appreciate it. And if you guys want to tune in or be notified for when I upload my next video, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the little notifications. And I do upload once a week, so yeah. Toss me a comment below and don't forget to follow me on my socials. They are listed in the description box below and I will see you guys in the next one.